We have another video for you guys here today. This one here is going to be for the Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I'm going to go a little bit in detail, so I'm going to break it down for the Hyundai Genesis Coupe. So this particular setup here, the disc and these components here are going to be for the 3.8. And this for the dual mass flywheel is going to fit as well. So I'm going to go over the components with you guys real quick. I know if you guys tuning in or just the first time watching this. This right here is going to be the pressure plate. This is going to be the slave cylinder throwout bearing that comes with the kit. Full face disc with springs and alignment tool. Comes with the OEM dual mass flywheel setup. Now what I want to do is draw your attention over here to this chromoly flywheel we have, which is also for the Genesis Coupe, but it's for the 2.0 turbo, which will look very similar to these components as well. As you can see, the dynamic is going to be a little smaller, but it looks just like this, just smaller in size. So if you're looking at this like, hey, wait a minute, you talk about 3.8 or 2.0. Essentially both for the Genesis Coupe. Everything that you see here is going to come with it. Now, unfortunately, we are developing a chromoly flywheel to replace the dual mass flywheel for the 3.8. But as of right now, if you do order the 2.8 from us, you will get it with a single mass chromoly flywheel disc as well. Now, for both variations, we do have stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3, which, as you can see, the sprung disc will work with dual mass and work with this as well. So if you have any comments on the year span that this particular clutch kit your parts work for, don't forget to let us know in the comments. We'll go ahead and ask those questions for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
And also, this particular flywheel works with a different setup.
Oh, it does. Yeah, absolutely.
So it doesn't work with this one because this one is OE style. This one is a conversion.
Right.
So you're gonna receive a different clutch kit.
A push
So for 2.0 turbo, you're gonna receive just like this. But then for 2.0 turbo conversion, you're gonna receive this flywheel plus another set of cover and disc.
Yes.
It's not gonna look like that.
No.
Okay. And then the 2.0 turbo OE setup is smaller, actually a little smaller in diameter. That's all. And then unfortunately we don't have this dual mass flywheel for the 2.0.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why we developed this one.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.